Good morning, Miss Sheila. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Ma'am Castro. Oh, it was fun. I had a few drinks with friends. We went out Saturday night. A bit wild, to be honest. But there were some photos of me online too, but just for fun.
I see, but you might want to be cautious. Remember, we're teachers. Our students and their families see us as our role models.
But it's my private life. I'm not doing anything wrong, right?
It's not about legality, it's about perception. We must behave with dignity. Let's talk more later, okay? I need to print something.
Thank you to coming, Miss Sheila. I need to talk to you about something serious.
Is something wrong, sir?
We received a report from concerned parent. Apparently, there were photos and videos of you drinking and behaving inappropriately in some of the students in there.
Oh, I didn't think it would be a big deal. It was just a night out.
I understand that you are young and want to enjoy life. But remember Article 3, Section 3, we as a teacher must behave with honor and dignity at all times, including outside classroom.
I didn't mean to bring this on to the profession. I honestly didn't realize how my actions would affect. Let's do it.
Alright. I appreciate your honesty. I suggest to reflect on this. We have a formal conversation soon. For now, you must mindful to your online presence.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. Just so you know, I came here not to be bullied anyone, but as a parent, I worry about the people influencing my child. Teachers should model good behavior. That's all I ask.
Mr. Maligan, I respect your concern and I take full responsibility for my actions. I'm still learning and growing. I now understand that being a teacher goes beyond the classroom. I apologize to you, your child, and the community.
As teachers, we are always watched, not just for what we teach, but for how we live. Honor and dignity must always walk with us.